Are you ready to dive into the adorable world of pandas with some surprising twists? Today, we're uncovering 10 curious facts you didn't know about pandas that will leave you amazed, from their mysterious behaviors to astonishing abilities. Each fact is a doorway to understanding these fascinating creatures like never before. Make sure to watch closely, as each detail adds a layer to the wonderful story of pandas. Why is this important? Because understanding these unique aspects helps us appreciate the importance of conservation efforts and the role pandas play in their ecosystems. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future wildlife explorations. Now let's get started and uncover the secrets of pandas together. Fact 1. Pseudo thumbs. Did you know that one of the most enchanting adaptations in the animal kingdom belongs to the giant panda? It's something called a pseudo thumb, a fascinating evolutionary trick that might just captivate your curiosity. Unlike true thumbs that humans and some primates have, the panda's pseudo thumb is actually an evolved wrist bone. This modified bone is both extended and padded with a fleshy pad, allowing pandas to have a functional opposable grip. This grip is crucial as it lets them hold and manipulate bamboo with remarkable dexterity, which is essential given that bamboo makes up about 99% of their diet. Scientists believe this adaptation arose because pandas, once omnivorous bears, shifted to a diet almost exclusively made up of bamboo. Without the pseudo thumb, handling their fibrous, woody meals would be a formidable challenge. Intriguingly, the panda's thumb is a perfect example of what evolutionary biologists call an exaptation, where structures originally evolved for one purpose are adapted for another over time. The development of the pseudo thumb in pandas is a vivid illustration of nature's ingenuity in evolutionary problem solving, making the panda not just a symbol of conservation, but also a testament to the wonders of evolutionary adaptation. How did this trait evolve? What other animals have similar adaptations? Exploring questions like these not only satisfies our curiosity, but also deepens our understanding of how life on Earth adapts and thrives in diverse environments. Fact 2. Bamboo diet. Have you ever wondered how an animal as large as the giant panda survives almost entirely on a diet of bamboo, a plant with notoriously low nutritional value? This peculiar dietary choice sparks an intriguing curiosity about panda biology and their ecological adaptations. Pandas consume up to 38 kilograms of bamboo each day, navigating through different species of bamboo to balance their diet depending on the season. Despite this massive intake, pandas digest only about 17% of the bamboo they consume. This low digestibility is due to the bamboo's high cellulose content, which is challenging for the panda's digestive system to break down. To compensate, pandas have a modified gastrointestinal tract that includes a short, straight colon and an enlarged cecum to help ferment and extract as many nutrients as possible from the bamboo. They also have strong jaw muscles and large molars, perfectly adapted for crushing the tough bamboo stalks. Interestingly, the giant panda's reliance on bamboo is a relatively recent evolutionary adaptation. Genetic studies suggest that while their ancestors were carnivorous, pandas transitioned to an herbivorous diet over millions of years, which is reflected in their unique digestive adaptations. This shift raises fascinating questions about the evolutionary pressures and environmental changes that led to such a specialized diet. The giant panda's survival on bamboo is a compelling example of how species can undergo dramatic dietary shifts in response to their surroundings, showcasing the intricate balance of evolutionary adaptability and environmental constraints. Fact 3. Communication. Isn't it intriguing to consider that the giant panda, often perceived as a solitary and silent creature, actually has a surprisingly complex system of communication? Pandas use an array of sounds and scents to interact with each other, which is fascinating given their generally reclusive nature. They have a range of vocalizations that vary from soft bleats and honks during friendly encounters to barks and huffs when threatened or to assert dominance. These sounds are crucial during the mating season when males and females need to find each other across their broad but sparsely populated habitats. Moreover, scent marking plays a vital role in their communication. Pandas have scent glands located under their tails, which secrete a substance used to mark trees, rocks, and bamboo, a behavior that serves multiple purposes. It helps them establish territory, signal their reproductive status, and convey other important social information. Researchers have even found that pandas can vary the position of their scent markings based on the message they intend to send. What's truly fascinating is how detailed these chemical messages can be. Other pandas can determine the marker's age, sex, reproductive condition, and even individual identity just from these scents. This sophisticated system highlights an unexpected level of social interaction and complexity in their behavior, challenging the old view of pandas as mere bamboo-eating loners. This insight into their communication enriches our understanding of their secretive lives and underscores the depths of animal behavior that remain to be explored. Fact 4. Baby pandas. Isn't it astonishing to learn that newborn pandas are one of the most stark contrasts in the animal kingdom in terms of size at birth compared to their mothers? A giant panda, which can weigh over 100 kilograms, gives birth to a baby that's about 1/900th of its size, roughly the weight of a cup of tea or less than a pound. These infants are born exceptionally helpless, blind, and almost entirely hairless, a stark difference from the fluffy, charismatic creatures they grow into. This vulnerability raises interesting questions about evolutionary trade-offs. Biologists suggest that the small size of the newborn allows the mother to conserve energy during gestation, which is critical given the low nutritional value of her bamboo diet. This strategy might also enable a quicker recovery for the mother, allowing her to remain more alert to threats in the wild. As pandas grow, they undergo one of the most dramatic transformations in the animal kingdom, not just in size, but in their ability to survive independently. The intense dependency of the cub on its mother during the early months of life highlights the critical role maternal care plays in the survival of the species. Additionally, the initial weeks are crucial as the mother nurtures her cub in a den, shielding it from the harsh external environment until it develops its iconic black and white coat and can see. This delicate beginning of life contrasts profoundly with the robust, solitary nature of adult pandas, offering a fascinating glimpse into the complexities of their life, cycle, and survival strategies in the wild. Fact 5. Love for water. Did you know that despite their hefty appearance and often sluggish behavior, giant pandas are surprisingly adept swimmers? This fact may seem counterintuitive given their bulky frame and terrestrial lifestyle, but pandas actually show a remarkable affinity for water. They are often observed splashing around and swimming in rivers and streams within their habitat. This aquatic activity is not just for fun, it also has several practical purposes. For instance, swimming helps pandas to cool down during warmer weather and plays a crucial role in their ability to navigate their environment, particularly when it involves crossing bodies of water to reach new areas of bamboo forest or to escape predators. Additionally, water play is a critical component of a panda cub's development. Young pandas engage in water-based activities as a way to explore their surroundings, develop their motor skills, and strengthen their muscles. This aspect of panda behavior underscores a lesser-known facet of their survival strategy, showcasing their adaptability to diverse environmental conditions. Moreover, the sight of these iconic creatures frolicking in water challenges the typical image of the panda as a slow-moving, sedentary bear, adding a layer of complexity to our understanding of their natural history and behavior. This swimming ability not only highlights the evolutionary versatility of the panda, but also serves as a reminder of the unexpected ways in which wildlife adapts to its environment. Fact 6. Symbol of peace. Have you ever pondered the symbolic significance of animals in ancient cultures? The giant panda, a creature synonymous with peace and gentle strength today, has a fascinating historical role in ancient China that might intrigue you. These enigmatic bears were once seen as powerful symbols of peace and diplomacy. It's believed that in ancient times, when warring factions within China encountered disputes, they would raise a flag emblazoned with the image of a panda to propose a truce or declare their intentions for peace. This use of the panda as a peace ambassador highlights not only the cultural importance of this animal, but also reflects the deep reverence and mystique pandas have commanded through ages. The choice of the panda for such a significant role is thought to stem from its gentle nature and strong territorial instincts, characteristics that resonated with the ideals of harmony and respect for one's boundaries in Chinese philosophy. This intriguing historical tidbit offers a glimpse into how the unique behavior and appearance of pandas were interpreted and woven into the social and political tapestry of human societies. Today, while the panda continues to serve as a global symbol of conservation and goodwill, understanding its historical roles adds layers to our appreciation of these extraordinary creatures, bridging past perceptions with modern conservation efforts. This deep-seated cultural reverence for pandas underscores their impact on human society far beyond their ecological roles. Fact 7. Heat sensitivity. Did you know that despite their thick, insulating fur, giant pandas are highly sensitive to heat? This fact invites curiosity about how these creatures manage their body temperature in the wild, particularly in the warmer months. Pandas have a thick coat that is well suited for the cold mountain climates of their native habitats in China. But this same coat can become a disadvantage during the hot summer weather. To cope with the heat, pandas exhibit behavior that might seem unexpected. They actively seek out higher altitudes where temperatures are cooler, or they find dense bamboo thickets that provide ample shade. Additionally, pandas are known to sprawl on cool rocks or stretch out on the ground with their bellies exposed, maximizing their contact with cooler surfaces to help regulate their body temperature. Interestingly, research has shown that pandas can alter their movements and activity levels based on the ambient temperature, tending to be less active during the hottest parts of the day to conserve energy and reduce heat stress. This adaptability is crucial for their survival and highlights the intricate ways in which pandas have evolved to manage environmental challenges. The sensitivity of pandas to heat not only affects their daily activities, but also influences their habitat selection and movements, offering us further insight into the complex interplay between wildlife and their environments. This aspect of panda biology serves as a reminder of the delicate balance maintained by species living in specialized niches and the potential impacts of climate change on these finely tuned adaptations. Fact 8. Solitary creatures. Isn't it intriguing to think about the solitary nature of the giant panda, a creature often seen as the epitome of cuddliness and communal charm in zoos? In their natural habitats, however, pandas are predominantly solitary animals. Each adult maintains a well-defined territory, which they mark with scent to communicate with other pandas in a form of olfactory signaling. This solitary behavior piques our curiosity about how pandas maintain social boundaries and interactions without direct contact. The scent markings carry a wealth of information such as identity, sexual readiness, and territorial claims, allowing pandas to effectively manage social dynamics without frequent physical meetings. Their acute sense of smell facilitates this unique communication channel, crucial for a species that spends much of its time alone. Furthermore, these solitary tendencies are reflected in their feeding habits. Since bamboo provides a low level of nutrition, pandas need to consume a vast amount of it daily, necessitating large territories that can support their dietary needs without overlapping too much with others. This requirement for vast, nutrient-sparse resources likely influenced their evolution towards solitude. Moreover, the solitary nature of pandas becomes even more fascinating considering their method of finding mates. Despite their isolation, pandas must locate each other during the brief annual mating season, relying on vocal calls and increased scent marking. Understanding the balance they maintain between solitude and the necessity for reproduction provides a compelling glimpse into the adaptive behaviors of species and highlights the complexity of their existence in the wild. This delicate balancing act is crucial for their survival, showcasing the intricate ways in which solitary animals manage their ecological roles. Fact 9. Lifespan. Have you ever considered the remarkable difference in lifespan between wild and captive giant pandas? This fact sparks curiosity about the factors influencing their longevity in different environments. In the wild, pandas typically live up to 20 years, a respectable age for a large mammal, but in captivity, their lifespan can extend up to 30 years or more. This significant disparity is largely due to the controlled conditions within zoos and reserves where pandas are shielded from predators, receive consistent food supplies, and have access to medical care. In the wild, on the other hand, pandas face challenges such as scarcity of food, competition for resources, and natural threats from the environment, all of which can reduce their lifespan. The controlled diet in captivity, which can be tailored to include all necessary nutrients and vitamins, plays a crucial role in extending their lives. Moreover, the medical care available to captive pandas can address health issues that would typically be fatal in the wild, such as infections, injuries, or chronic diseases. This difference in life expectancy raises intriguing questions about the trade-offs between the natural lifestyle of pandas in the wild and the protected, but confined existence in captivity. It also prompts a deeper exploration into how human intervention in the form of conservation efforts and habitat management can impact the survival and health of endangered species. Understanding these dynamics offers valuable insights into the complex interplay between nature and conservation and how each approach influences the overall well-being and longevity of animals like the giant panda. Fact 10. Conservation success. Isn't it remarkable to think about the conservation success story of the giant panda, once on the brink of extinction but now reclassified from endangered to vulnerable? This shift in status is a testament to the intensive and concerted global efforts aimed at preserving and increasing the panda population. The journey to this success invites curiosity about the strategies implemented to achieve such a turnaround. Pandas, with their specialized habitat and dietary needs, pose unique challenges for conservation. The primary strategy has been the restoration and protection of their natural habitat in the mountain ranges of central China, which involves reforestation projects and the establishment of panda reserves. Additionally, captive breeding programs have played a crucial role, helping to increase population numbers and maintain genetic diversity, essential for the species' long-term survival. Another innovative approach has been the panda diplomacy, where China loans pandas to zoos worldwide, which not only raises awareness and funds for conservation, but also fosters international cooperation in research and habitat preservation efforts. The success in panda conservation also highlights the importance of local community engagement and the use of advanced technologies in wildlife monitoring and management. The story of the panda's recovery is not just about saving an iconic species, it also shines a light on the broader implications of biodiversity conservation and the interconnectedness of ecosystems. It prompts us to think about how concerted global efforts can be mobilized to address other pressing environmental and wildlife challenges. The ongoing narrative of panda conservation is a beacon of hope, illustrating that with sustained commitment and cooperation, it is possible to reverse the fortunes of even the most vulnerable species. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these fascinating panda facts enlightening, please share this video to help spread awareness about panda conservation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible wildlife stories. Now, make sure to watch the next video popping up on your screen to continue exploring the wonders of nature with us.